Okay, good evening everyone. On the behalf of the years, I welcome all you to the course of 7-day Ansys course. So today we will just have the introduction of the course and then we will proceed to the course from tomorrow. So instructor will be joining from tomorrow. Today I will explain you what we'll be teaching in the coming classes and also the software requirements and how to install a software. Okay. It's the main reason which we will be explaining today. Yeah. Thank you. So myself, Madhukar Samatam, I am the founder and director of Professional Education Services and also a instructor in ProCAD Academy. I have completed my master's in design for manufacturing from Osmania University and I have vast research experience in the area of manufacturing and design. Okay, so anyway, I will be not taking the senior faculty of Professional Education Services, Chandra sir, who has an experience of 30 years nearly. He works in the Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology as a technician.
Sir, voice is not audible.
Yeah, is this clear? Okay, is it audible now?
So speak louder.
I think you can mute your. I think it's. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Just check your volume. Okay, I think it's okay. Yeah, thank you everyone for intimating us. So now we will proceed. Before proceeding, just I want to know how many of you already have a Ansys software. Just I want to make sure that how many of you have a Ansys software. I have it. Okay, Kedar, it's okay. You have it. Any other? Okay. Anyway, I think all of you may not have the latest version of the Ansys. So I will show you today how to download a Ansys software 2020 version free from the website. Only the student version. It should not be used for any commercial purpose or any any design perspective purpose, like by the industrialists or any of the design engineers, if anyone are present here. Okay. Thank you. I think just I'll present my screen now. Yeah, is my screen visible to all? Anyone can speak out and let me know. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. Do remember in this entire course, don't mute your mic unless it is requested. Unmute your mic unless it is requested. And also remember, don't on your video or don't present your screen anytime. And also, to view the presenter screen, what you should do means you should always click on the person who is presenting. In this case, Madhukar Samatam is the presenting, so you can check ProCAD Academy will be presenting the screen. So click on ProCAD Academy from the list which is present in the top right. You can see the members 62. Click on that and select Auto ProCAD. I hope everyone can now see the screen. So remember what you will do. First we will take a new tab and click on Ansys student version. Okay, I think you can see now. So click on student version. Once you check this, you will be seeing this full select results. So here select free student software Ansys. Okay, click on this, open a new tab for the convenience. So just taking time, please wait. Okay, now you can, now I hope you can see the screen version which we have opened. So here in this case, you can, if you scroll down, you can see the Ansys student software. Can you? I hope. Yeah, here you should select Ansys student. Ansys student, click here. You can see we have a click here option. Okay. You can see click here option. So click on that. Once click on that, you will be getting a download box here. And this student is a workbench. So before installation, what you should do means you should check whether your system is supported by it or not. See, supported platforms and operating systems. In this you can see that Microsoft Windows 10 264-bit. Okay, so you should have a system which is have an minimum Windows 10. In some cases Windows 8 is also can be used. For 2020 I think Windows 10 is most preferable, and you should also have a 4 GB RAM, 25 GB hard disk space, and you should have a partition of C drive. It is commonly present in anywhere, and you should also have graphic card and driver. Preferably professional workstation. You can also have a Intel integrated graphics or also some other NVIDIA graphics or any other graphics of 2 GB or 2 GB is supported. Then OpenGL capable graphics interface capable. So if you have graphic for 4 GB, that will be okay. So how much download speed you require? If you have a 10 Mbps, download takes 25 minutes. If you have a 25 Mbps, it takes 25 minutes. 51 Mbps, it takes 50 minutes. Okay. So based on speed, you can take that. Once you click here, I will just show what you will be receiving in my already saved documents. Here you will be receiving like the location which you select will be at that location. You will be receiving some more like in my case I selected folder as software. So in software you will be getting a zip file. You can see here zip file. You have a zip file here, which is as academic student 2020 version. If you unzip this file, you will be automatically getting the installation file. I am trying to unzip this. So take it. So if you have any doubt, you can unmute and ask your doubt in the middle too. That's not an issue in this case, because we are not taking class. We are taking we are only informing how to do that. Okay. Someone better if you speak up, because don't chat. I see your chat text.
Sir,
In this folder, once you click on after the download, click here. You will be having a totally scroll down. No, you can't use a phone to download, Manusha. You should use a laptop of standard requirements which is specified. So in this you can see setup. You have a setup. Once you run this within 20 minutes, the download installation will be completed. After the actual, so we already installed that one. So once you install, what you will be getting is you get these two icons. So you get these two icons. Okay, you can see here ACP. ACP is another version in ANSYS that is used for composite. Another Abdul Rahim, it depends on your net speed. Okay. Yeah, it's we don't use this one. We use mechanical APDL mostly. Mechanical APDL. You can click student. You can click now. Where go down and click student version. So we use VPL. In some case, we also do for workspace. This is how we install ANSYS. Okay, now I will be showing you a basic version, how it will run. Yeah, is it okay, Raymond? Now? So we will now try open mechanical APDL and see the future, how it will be.